Hello friends, I'm Abhishek and this video is on HKC, that is Hong Kong International Convention for the Safe and Environmentally Sound Recycling of the Ships 2009, which will come into force on 26th of June 2025. So w- this video is very helpful. It's going to be very helpful for class 2 candidates, and I have researched a lot for making this video. So without wasting our time, let's go to the content of the video. First, we will see the aim of this convention. So the aim of the convention is to ensure that ships at end of their operational life, when recycled, will not pose any threat to human health and to the environment. So this is the aim of the convention. Then coming to the next topic, what are the things which can pose harm when the ship is recycled? So, what are the things which are available on board which can pose harm to the environment or to human health after, during the recycling or after the recycling? So, these things are PCBs, halogens, toxic paints, asbestos, OSD, hydrocarbons, and many more. All these can be found in HM, that is Inventory of Hazardous Material, which is updated by the Chief Engineer of the ship. So, what is IHM? IHM is a document which contains the detail of all the materials which can pose harm to human health or to the environment. So, it has three parts. The part one, it is prepared by the yard when building and updated by the ship staff throughout its life for new installations and modifications. So part 1 is prepared by yard initially, but after that it has to be updated by ship staff, that is chief engineer, when new installations or modifications are done on the ship. Then the part 2, which contain operational waste, and part 3, which contain the stores, which is these two parts, means part 2 and part 3, are also updated by the ship staff. There is one certificate in the IHM, that is ICIHM, the International Certificate on Inventory of Hazardous Material, which is valid for 5 years, subjected to a renewal survey. And coming to, before going to the procedures and the certifications, we will just see the abbreviations used in the video, or abbreviations which are used in HKC. So this abbreviation SRF, that is Ship Recycling Facility. It is the facility where the ships are recycled. SRP, Ship Recycling Plan. This the SRF makes this plan, which contain the details of the vessel, details of the methods to handle the materials included in IHM, and DASR, Document of Authorization of Ship Recycling. This is the certificate, or we can say it is the license for SRF. That is, if this document is available with SRF, it means the SRF is authorized to perform recycling of the ship. And CIRRC, it says Ship International Ready for Recycling Certificate. So this is issued to the ship for 3 months. The validity is 3 months, which shows that ship can be recycled. IHM, that is Inventory of Hazardous Material. ICIHM, this is the certificate of Inventory of Hazardous Material. SOC, it is a statement of completion of recycling of ship, that is issued to the ship after completion of recycling, and this certificate is retained with the state of SRF and copy is retained with the flag state. Coming to the procedures, so in procedure starts with the last port of call. Once the vessel leaves the last port of call, that is obviously that is always a discharge port. Once vessel leaves the port and proceed to SRF, all the insurances, P&I and other covers are lost. Then a breakup voyage or single voyage insurance is taken. Same time, all the statutory certificates are surrendered to the flag, and a single voyage certificate is issued to the vessel to complete the voyage. With breakup voyage insurance and single voyage certificate, when the ship reaches SRF, the flag will take away the single voyage certificate and deregistration of the vessel is carried out. So once the vessel reaches SRF, all the deregistration of the vessel is carried out, and all the insurances are lost. And preparation for recycling. In preparation for recycling, initial notification is sent to flag by owner about the intention of recycling the ship. Means the owner sent a notification to the flag that I am going to recycle my ship. And then the flag state will carry out initial survey to verify the ICIHM, that is Certificate of Inventory of Hazardous Material, name of the SRF where the ship is going to be recycled, and the license, that is DASR of the SRF, that is verified by flag state. Upon verification, after verification, SRF prepares SRP, that is plan to recycle the ship. Once plan is prepared, that plan is sent for approval to state of SRF. That is, if SRF is in India, then it will be sent to DG Shipping. Once SRP is verified, that means approved, it is sent to the flag state. Then flag state will carry out final survey. After the final survey, CIRRC is issued, whose validity is 3 months, and within that 3 month period, recycling of the ship has to be carried out. Upon completion of the recycling, certificate of completion of recycling is issued. The original certificate is retained with the state of SRF, and a copy is sent to the flag state. So this was all about the preparation of recycling and all the procedures and how the different certificates are issued and how to maintain the IHM. Now, this was all about the company and SRF. Now, the ship staff also has to prepare from their end when vessel is going for recycling too. So we will see in the next slide. So onboard preparation includes first and foremost is the ship staff has to make sure that IHM is properly updated. All three parts of IHM has to be maintained. Then before reaching to SRF, keep the keep the level of all the tanks, that is lube oil tanks, bunker tanks, sludge tanks, slop, cargo residue, and other operational wastes, which can cause any harm to environment, lead to pollution during or after the recycling to a minimum level. So then keep there are some documents which are to be kept in a state of readiness once we are approaching the approaching the SRF. So these documents are pipeline diagram, which will be helping uh, to remove all the waste or lube oil or bunker or whatever is remaining. First, that is taken out. So that is required to be kept in a state of readiness. Then tank layout and midship section diagram and towing survey. So this was all in detail of HKC. Thank you for watching this video, and I will be updating more and more videos regarding marine subjects and some topics. If you want me to add some videos, some special videos on some topic, you can directly message me. Thank you again for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.